Hi everybody, Brian from STEEDA.com here today to speak with you about our S550 upper camber plates. We've developed these camber plates with you in mind. And when I say you, I mean people that autocross, go to track days, drag race, or just simply enjoy your cars on the street. All of us have one thing in common. We want to adjust the suspension and tune the suspension to what we're using the car for. Now, when you lower your car, you actually increase the negative camber. And what this means in layman's terms, the wheels would normally be close to vertical. And the top edges come in as you lower the car. It's part of the suspension and camber curve of the front suspension. It's natural as you're lowering the car and it travels through that suspension range. Now with the tires tucked in, under extreme handling, it will perform better to a certain degree. However, too much negative camber will start to work the opposite way. Likewise, when you're driving on the street, you don't want too much negative camber because it starts to take away from the effectiveness of the brakes and wears your tires out substantially quicker. As you've come to expect from STEEDA, good enough is definitely not good enough. So we've developed these camber plates with the widest range of adjustment on the market. This means that we give you more adjustment for positive camber to bring the tops of those wheels back out, or likewise, for those that are road racing and autocrossing looking for every last bit of cornering grip, you can bring these into negative 2.8 degrees. That's an industry-leading amount. And as great as these are for use in competition, we've also designed them for street use. We've built them with a spherical bearing that's Teflon coated, made of stainless steel, and preloaded to our specification. That means that there's no additional noise and no additional harshness from adding these to your car. Furthermore, we've plated each component on these camber plates. This helps prevent any sort of oxidation, potential rust, and protects all the components from any sort of road grime and, again, corrosion. These camber plates are proudly made in the USA at our Georgia facility because speed matters. They also carry our lifetime warranty. If you'd like more information about our camber plates or many of our other suspension goods, please visit STEEDA.com. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to post below. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and have a great day.